Don't travel with us. But you watch out. Now to the airport. So it's currently 3:21. I'm flexing my new phone. It's currently 3:21 and our flight is at 8 p.m. We're advised to be there. We're supposed to be there 3 hours before. But inuna namin ang TikTok. Kaya naman kuya, kaya naman daw, sabi ni kuya. So yeah, you just have to find out where we will be going this time. So it's a very unplanned trip. Because we just decided last minute and then we book it right away. And now we're here. So, papanindigan ko tong straight English.
Parang nag-IC ng si Jacqueline Miliado. Hello? Hello? Yes, yes. Why? Yung bag ko!
Na?
Na-backpack na black. Kuya, balik tayo. Sorry na.
Pwede ba kuya?
Padala niya na palabas.
Oo, apa. Jackie girl, padala nga sa gate please. Thank you so much. I'm sorry.
Oh, no.
Oh, nahuli.
So, 3 minutes into the ride and Alo just found out that he left her bag at Jackie's place. And we had to return. All part of the...
Gusto ko yung Tagalog na para malabas mo yung galit.
It's all part of the adventure that we're having now. Oh, bali na guys.
Sa table. Dito na kayo.
So, again, we have to return.
Yes.
Pero mas maganda yung features ko dyan compared to my phone.
Kasi nga, sobrang kita na lahat ng imperfections dun sa mahal na phone.
We'll be back here after like 3 weeks for our Christmas party. So, good luck to our budget. Let's discuss later on the airplane how much have we prepared for that. How much financial figures have we prepared for this? Because I'm honestly going to bankrupt myself. So we waited for a Grab for like
Almost an hour.
almost an hour. That's a downside of living in Jackie's place. It's always hard to book.
Because it's too far away.
Yeah. But of course, we're grateful that we have Jackie here in Manila. We have free accommodation every time we go. But I'm demanding. So I hate waiting.
Okay na.
And aside from... Okay na. So we just got Alo's bag.
Yes, there's Jackie there.
So
Thank you, Jackie. You're so nice.
here's the thing. Don't travel with Alo. Because she always forgot things. Forgets. She always forgets things. Tama. First, when we went to Siargao, she forgot my charger. So, I didn't have any charger in Siargao. Next, yesterday, when we traveled going in Manila, she forgot my toiletries. And now that we're going to the airport, she forgot her own laptop. So, next time, don't travel with Alo when you have things.
Don't give Alo your keys.
Don't give Alo your things when you're traveling. Handle your own things. So, we are now here at the
Yes naman.
passport checker. So, I badly need to go to the CR, but of course,
Yes, I have our phone.
I need to flex.
Hello! Hello! Ngayon lang ako nagsalita. Mamaya ka na umeksena. Kasi buong time bago makarating dito siya lang nagsasalita. Okay. We're going. So, ngayon lang ako
Don't announce it yet. You pull
sige.
it.
Okay. Ano na sabihin ko? Okay, we got approved. Okay, nakalagpas na kami ng immigration. Kaya malakas na ang loob ko mag-vlog for today's video. So, pwede ba doon ay kumain ka nung dati?
But where do we go for the CR?
Yes, hanapin namin yung CR kasi mga ang tagal-tagal ng panahon simula nakapila kami nung ina-approve yung mga passport. Naiihi na kami. So, si CR muna tayo. Ako na lang muna. Hello. So, we are now here sa Tapa King kasi we're about to eat our dinner. Sabi ni Kev, heavy dinner daw para sa buong flight na. Makatulog lang kami kasi 4 hours yung biyan. Ayun. Ayun lang. So, I got tapa. Tapa lang. Tapos yung sa kanya, Royal Emmen. Na may pang sausage and egg. Okay, dinner time. Wala. Hi. So, papunta na kami ng boarding gate. Medyo malayo pala yung immigration. And lahat ng kainan. Halika na!
Welcome to Bali, Indonesia.
Wala akong energy. Pero nasa Bali na kami. Yay!
So we've arrived after 4 hours of long airplane bumpy road.
Bumpy clouds.
Very bumpy clouds. So finally arrived here at Denpasar, Bali, Indonesia. So we'll be staying here for 2 weeks. Charot.
Abangan. Ganda airport dito, B. Paano to? Sana tayo pupunta? Susundan na lang namin yung mga humans na kasabay namin dumating. Kaya won't stop taking pictures. Eh, hindi ko na alam saan pupunta after dito. Pero ang ganda talaga dito. Nakikita mo ba yan? Para ako nasa isang 5-star hotel sa Pilipinas. Eto, airport lang. Ay nako, Philippines keep up. We're looking for our bags. Kasi we checked in. Kasi, ewan ko ba, nakakainis. Pinag-check in kasi kami. Ay, yung bag ko nakita ko. Ayun, pero yun, pinag-check in kasi yung bag namin. Kahit na, well, more than 70 kilos kasi. Here we are. Grabe, pasak-pasak ka na, baby. Kahit ko lang. Ang bigat mo. No, look, oh. It's all scratched and shit. Ay, magagalit ang nanay ko sa akin. Grabe, warak na ang aking bag. my gosh, ang ganda talaga ng airport.
We bought
Lahat ng convenience store may ATM. Lahat ng kanto may ATM.
Thank you, Sean.
Mamaya. Thank you so much. Sabi ko na, savior ng buhay natin ang Paymay. Papasalamat ako kay Kevin pag uwi ko. Hindi ka, wala Kevin. Ibang Kevin. Bye! Eh di kami ni Sean, sabi niya kasi, maganda kasi yung card o ang sleek, ganun siya. Okay, di ko mo kami ni Sean. Palang ano sa atin dito. Time to take a bath.
rice terraces, and then the swing,
Yes.
and the coffee plantation, and then maybe I will skip the Central Ubud because Central Ubud just around here.
Okay.
Saraswati Temple, Ubud Palace, because
So we can just walk.
yes,
Okay.
it's your hotel, right?
Yes. And we got shocked because our hotel in front of it, it's a lot of
Everything.
stores.
Yes, you
So it's
stay
very good location.
in the central. But be
Yes.
careful when you shopping. You
Okay.
have to bargain.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice. Good
Okay.
tip.
Especially in Ubud Market. Ubud Market, because so many tourists, so when you bargain, it's still over high price.
High price.
Yeah.
So Aria, I think we have to eat breakfast first because we haven't had breakfast.
Of course, yes. What food? Any?
Any food. Surprise
What you
us
can
with food.
Okay. So maybe we have our native food. We call it as babi guling.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Karinderya yun.
yeah, but I think Filipino doesn't like that.
Oh. Okay.
Maybe normal nasi goreng, mi goreng is okay.
Yeah, I think since this is our first time here, we would like to try the very famous nasi goreng
Nasi goreng.
as our first food here.
Okay. So let's find nasi goreng. Yeah. Or second. But now it's not really busy, like not peak season.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's the best time to go here in Bali during this time.
Yeah, between November, like in the middle of November.
I've been searching for tour guides and then we stumbled your video and then we got so curious because you brought them to so many places that are only for locals, that are not very famous but still beautiful. So we'd also like to be surprised with that.
Yes. Minyak.
Wait, Ubud is like what? Like, is it a province?
Like town, small town.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. And then Ubud is like, do you know the barangay?
But bigger.
Bigger.
than
Oh,
barangay,
okay.
Yes. Barangay is community, right?
Yes, it's like that.
Bigger.
Oh, okay.
Down.
Yeah, like small town. Bali is province,
Okay.
and then but famous because the culture and that's why.
But there's a lot of temples.
Okay. In Bali, sometimes house look like temple.
Oh, okay.
This?
I thought
What
it's
you think about this?
Oh,
This is house.
this
Oh,
house.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is temple.
I get
Oh,
shocked.
that's temple.
I get shocked because although it's night when we came here, when we arrived, there's a lot of like good structures.
Oh yeah. You will get boring.
Oh.
3 days about the design.
Yeah.
I mean, oh yeah, I still love the design. Very, what, peaceful or something. Nice. Because in Bali, we are Hindu.
Yes. Jetta told us yesterday.
Oh yeah, yes. In Bali, religion is not very strong, but the culture, the tradition.
Oh, we came here yesterday. Ah, so it's a roundabout.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
one way.
Oh, okay.
One way. Yeah.
So you circle it.
So we turn.
Yeah.
What the freaking hell?
Grabe, living talaga siya. Hi! Hello, magandang umaga. Magtatagalog tayo para tayo ang magkakaintindihan. Kasi pag English ako dito, lahat tayo makakaintindihan.
Kaya nga.
Okay, so we are now here at parang nabasa ko layang ating pangalan. Pero hindi ko na maalala. Pero it's our official day 1 here sa Bali. Oh, di ba nag-English ang princess? Day 1 namin sa Bali today. And nandito kami sa Ubud. Tapos, today magtutour kami around Ubud. And ano ba? Ngayon, magbe-breakfast kami. And super ganda nitong place. Like, isang place pa lang. Ang ganda na, guys. Sobra. It's like Siargao version 1.
The original.
Original Siargao. Ganon. Ayun. Pero legit, ang ganda dito. Tapos yung init, hindi siya kasing sakit. Hoy, ang sexy ko naman dito. Hindi siya kasing sakit sa balat. Parang sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, super init. Kahit taga-Baguio ako. Sobrang sakit sa balat ng init sa Pilipinas. Dito hindi. It's like, hindi ko alam. Sana hindi ko bawiin to within the day. Pero ang sabi kasi, yung weather daw ngayon dito ay parang Pilipinas rin. Maaraw sa, or Baguio siguro. Parang maaraw sa umaga tapos sa gabi or hapon ulan. Ganun. So, November daw kasi is rainy season. And so, let's just... What? Ha? Picture daw kami.
So, hello.
Ay, ang taba ng ano.
So it's another bestie
O, sana
thing,
hindi
bestie.
nag-i-English.
No, I want to speak in English so that they know I'm competent. Ba't hindi ito competitive?
Competitive sa mga
Competitive sa mga
native
foreigner.
speaker. Si Bakla.
So yun, so as you can see, we're wearing green because again, so last time when we went to Siargao, basically in Mindanao, we didn't talk about our outfits, but interestingly, we brought the same color palette, so we basically match our outfits in Siargao. And then we challenged ourselves again here in Bali, so we did not talk any outfits, inspo, and then a while ago when we were taking a bath, before we take a bath, we open our luggage and hooray, the best are besting again because we match again. So yeah, watch out for our outfits. It's not very to watch out for, but you watch out. It's so sweet. The honey is honeying. So kinuha ko tong lime juice. Like,
Ba't nagmumura na?
sobrang lime niya to the point na parang imagine mo lahat ng buto, lahat ng balat, blender. Sobrang sarap niya, sobrang detoxifying niya, pero parang magugulat yung body ko kasi hindi naman ako detox. Pero so nice here.
Also, pag nagdala kayo ng yung drink niya parang dip. Ganon.
Yeah.
Yung asim niya sobra. Parang pwede mong isama sa snack to. Ito ay mango smoothie na may milk and honey. Tapos malalasahan mo. Parang ngayon talagang may hot. Sobrang lakas ng hot.
Yeah, this is our first official location. And girl, sobrang ganda. Nakakaloka. And the food here is very cheap. Like honestly, you can get a food for like 100 to 150 pesos. And the location is so nice. So look at the location.
Isa pa mo.
We're like, come on. We're eating in front of that. And look at the location inside. Like, sobrang ganda. Your money will be so sulit here. Honestly. However, the food is very matagal sir. And we have places to go to.
Ang ganda. Grabe magte-10 AM na. Pero ayoko naman
Bilisan masyado.
Yeah.
If you are to compare, kasi I'm from Ilocos. So definitely, hindi bago sa akin yung itsura nung surrounding. Pero, how they transform it, how they make it into a tourist destination is very cool. Kasi yung mga nakikita mo dito, like honestly, ito, girl, gubat namin to sa Ilocos.
Yeah, pero yung aesthetic, yung
Yung location,
maganda.
yung restaurant, like, oh my God, ang galing nila.
Tapos grabe, talaga kanina, parang iniisip ko, parang yung mga tao sa Pilipinas, puro Bali is, ano yun? Bali vibes, Bali aesthetic, Bali inspired. Tapos nandito na tayo. Ito na yun.
Thank you so much. This is the... What is this?
Mee goreng?
Mee goreng. Okay.
Seafood. Seafood.
So for starter, syempre, dun tayo sa native meal sa Indonesia. So, Kev got mee goreng, which is noodles. Mee goreng daw is noodles. And then, I got nasi goreng, which is rice. Ayan. Ang sarap. So, nasi goreng is basically fried rice in the Philippines. Ang sarap. So, shout out sa jowa ko. Magugustuhan mo to. As a fried rice enthusiast. Ang sarap, babe. For 185 pesos. Oh my God. Go nyo na yan.
How much is that?
185 mo. 50. Or 47.
Ako 47.
47 ito. I love it. Yum. Ba't yung ganito sa Pilipinas?
Para siyang authentic na pansit ganito.
Tanga. Ang ganito sa Pilipinas, no? Puro Thai.
Yeah.
Ang sarap. I love it so much. Just weird to think Itong din pinagdalhan sa atin, parang ano na to, restaurant. So, ganun na yung presyohan. What more kapag nagkarinderya tayo?
Let's try the karinderya.
Yeah nga.
Kahit maanghang, no?
Warung kasi. Warung rin to eh. Warung is like kainan.
Ayun yung meaning. I love the rice, pero
Sarap, no?
This animal
That's
we
the
call in Bali luwak.
luwak.
Yeah, they are nocturnal, active in the night time. During the day, they're sleeping.
Okay.
This one is the poo from luwak, from the animal. When they eat coffee bean, become like this. The digestive system of around 45 minutes to roasting, brown like this. You can smell.
Smells good.
oh my god.
After that, we brown it here. Yeah, strong.
So you found it very hard.
Yeah. In.
Oh, Filipino loves that.
Yes.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen, yeah. You can
That's-
try. Cinnamon.
Bango.
Wow. Oh yeah.
We are here sa Bali Swing na pala. It's Uma Pakel Bali. So, we're taking pictures. Tapos na kami dun sa swing. Doon yung swing. Hindi ko alam kung, yun, gusto nyo mag-jowa. Marami pang ibang picture spots dito, pero we paid like 700 per person. Yeah, 700 per person for this. Pero okay naman, dami namang picture areas. Yan yung infinity pool na sikat. Tapos may isa pa silang pool doon, pero hindi pa daw siya pwede gamitin. Yan si Kev and yung guide namin. Yung terraces sa likod. So, mas sobrang ganda dito. Tapos itong parang picture na deck, 3 sila. So, you can take picture kung ano yung angle na gusto mo. But yeah, this is the best angle talaga kasi ang ganda. Nakikita mo yung coconut trees and rice fields or yung terraces. Ayan. So, mas nauna ko pa nakita ang terraces ng Bali kesa ng Pilipinas. Yung dresses na yan, na nasa likod, yan yung nasa famous na mga Bali pictures na nag-flow yung mga dress. For rent pala yung mga dress na yun. So, ang binayaran namin for the swing and all the picture spots is at like 200,000 rupiah. Tapos, the rest, may dagdag na. Pero kunwari, kung mag-rent ka ng dress, ganyan, may dagdag. Magiging 350 siya na rupiah. So, yun, hindi ko na tinake yun kasi ang mahal. 750 na siya. Sa pictures pa lang and sa place, ha. Ang laki na nun. Tapos gusto mo pa mag-dress. Hindi na kaya ng budget. And to think, it's just the first day. Wala na kami pera. Sobrang, ano pala, pag puro destination, emirate yung pupuntahan. Nonetheless, worth it naman sana lahat because the pictures are really nice. Ayan, si Kev, nag-iinarte. Doing all the videos and shit. Ayan. Yun lang muna update. Mamaya na ulit. It's currently 12:20. Lunch pa lang naman. And so far, busog pa ako. So, hindi na muna yata kami kakain. Sana kumain na yung driver namin / tour guide. Kasi, hindi pa ako gutom. Like at all. Ang dami kong kinain ng breakfast. And super worth it siya kasi we paid for it parang 500 to 600 pesos yung meal namin ng breakfast. Tapos if parang brunch na siya, worth it na rin. Yan. Pero again, day 1 pa lang. Mamumulubi ata ako dito. Pero sana, it's all worth it naman. It's so ganda here. So, ito yung galing sa civet cat or sa luwak ang tawag nila. And then, these are teas. And then the coffees. Uy, avocado ba oh? Bali coffee, avocado, coconut, ginseng, and vanilla. Itong vanilla daw yung masarap.
We're back. So, after 2 hours of taking pictures here, we've finally come to the part we're gonna taste coffee. So, I personally don't drink coffee, but since I paid for this trip a lot, I'm gonna exhaust it. So, let's try first the Bali coffee, of course. The smell, charot, joke lang. Mama, same tayo ng kutsara. Oh, very strong. I don't like that. It tastes, it's very strong. Oh my God. And yeah, by the way, it's free tasting. So,
Except this one.
yeah, we paid for this because this is the, it's basically the poke. So basically, there's this, sa animal.
Civet cat.
The civet cat eat
Inigit
the,
ko pa kasi mag-Tagalog ka na.
no. The civet cat eats the bean of the coffee, and then the chan will process, the stomach will process it, and then it will come out fertilized, and then it will come out as a poop, and then they're gonna process it until it makes a coffee. So I
Sarap.
don't like that. That's too strong for me.
This is good.
If you want to be awake for like 1 week, you drink that.
This is good. This is good coffee.
This one is avocado coffee.
Sarap.
I love this one.
Kasi may halo.
Yeah.
Avocado. Bango.
Diba?
Hindi, parang creamer niya yung avocado.
Avocado. It's very good.
Hello. Ayan. Okay, so I'm trying itong avocado coffee.
Dapat kanina pala nag-swing tayo nung
Wow!
walang araw.
Ang sarap.
Diba?
Ang
Very
sarap
good.
ng avocado. Go, mag-try ka na nung next para may...
This one is coconut coffee. I love coconut.
The best yung avocado. Ay, the best agad. Second pa lang.
Yeah, I kind of taste the coconutty.
But not really.
Yeah, but not really. At the end of it, there's an aftertaste. Gonna try the avocado again.
Oo, busin niya.
This is very good. Next is the ginseng coffee.
Sarap!
Yeah, meron siyang aftertaste nga
Coconut,
ng...
para siyang yung biscuit
Yeah,
na coconut, butter coconut.
butter. This is the ginseng. Oh, very matapang the amoy of ginseng.
Sarap ng butter coconut, parang butter coconut. Sarap ng butter coconut, sarap ng
Ooh.
coconut pala.
This is interesting. It's definitely giving tea and coffee.
I like this one also.
This one is the vanilla, and I heard this is the most delicious one daw.
Mamaya ko
The
to
ginseng is
inumin.
very...
Yan muna yung medyo milky muna.
Not really.
Body mo ba?
I like the avocado more. Or maybe because of the
Akin lang
palate.
yung coconut.
I like the avocado more.
Kaya nga, di ubusin mo yung avocado, ubusin yung coconut.
You fast kasi para mainit pa to. Not really, no?
Latte. Tapos yung latte.
Latte na walang sugar.
Sarap. Masarap lahat para sa akin.
This one is the
Yan na yung mga hindi ko bet masyado mga
mangosteen. So, very tita ang peg ng mangosteen. Very
Mangostita.
Pilipina.
Ginseng.
Oh, wow. Imagine mo yung tea na very raw na tea at saka coffee pinaghalo.
Weird yung ginseng. Yun lang, yung sasabi
I love
ko.
this one. I love this one.
I love that. So, tea
This is very
person
good.
ka nito.
This is very good. These are teas, these are coffees.
Ay, ang bango. Parang, dapat natin yung tea.
Hindi, tama lang, pang cleanse ng palate. Sobrang refreshing
Parang
niya.
juice.
Sobrang refreshing niya, pero sana mag-gets nyo na mainit. Pero it's kinda refreshing also. Oh, lemongrass. I already know the taste.
Sarap.
I hate lemongrass.
Yan yung mga nandun kanina, di ba?
As a tea.
Eh, parang uulan na dalian mo.
Yeah, I don't like it. This is the Rosella tea. Rosella tea.
Ito, inumin mo pag may tonsillitis.
Tonsillitis. I think
Sarap.
this Rosella tea is from Rose. This is my favorite. This is my favorite.
Spice tea.
Spice tea,
Parang
so
five
definitely,
spice ganun.
it's definitely very hot. That's my favorite. I wanna see
Hindi
your
pa nga
reaction.
nahalo, oh. Ay, nag-sink na nga sa baba. Ihalo ko
That's
to.
so good. If you want na may makain kang granules, grabe, buti na lang pumunta kami ng maaga, ang dami ng tao.
Sobrang
Tamis.
tamis.
That's
Tama.
why I like it. Ang dami ng tao, like, before kami pumunta dito, parang kami, tsaka isang family lang. Ngayon, like, may mga 10 na.
10 na
So, like, ang dami. 10 groups, like, hindi...
Ano to? Natry mo na?
This is the spice tea.
Wait, tatry ko na din to para sa better.
Oh.
2 years.
Oh.
Tamis!
This is very good.
Tamis na manghang.
Oh.
Dami mo kinito.
The ginger. It's very good for tonsillitis. But it's very good. It tastes like turmeric.
Which one? The spice tea.
Yes, but it's more spicy this one.
Ginger is more spicy. Spice tea is from turmeric and tamarind.
It's good.
Oh, okay. How much if where can we buy?
In the shop. Later
In the shop.
after you finish, I will ask you.
Okay. So I love the tea. I don't drink coffee, but I do drink tea. And now the moment of truth, we're gonna taste the coffee from the Civet Cut. How much is the
One packet.
one?
For the 500 gram, the price 2,500,000 rupiah.
2 million na, be.
Oh, it's like 1,000 pesos.
Sorry, lady. Nakita
Sorry po sa mga kamag-anak ko na pinangakuan ko nito. Mahal po pala.
Hindi ko pala kaya, lay. Ako na lang inom para sa'yo.
Yeah, she understand mahal. It's because expensive.
Yeah. Mahal. Mukha is face, right?
Face. Maganda is beautiful.
Yeah,
Mahal is also love.
Yeah, sabi ko nga. I love all of the tea.
Gusto ko matay mukha mo dyan.
Tandaanan nyo na galing to sa tae.
Dali.
Galing to sa tae. Wow.
Totoo ba?
I said earlier that Bali coffee will make you awake for 1 week. This one will make you awake for 1 month.
No, forever.
It's very strong. It's very strong, ah.
But less caffeine.
Oh, really? It's like one sip is like 1 cup of Americano.
The
The coffee America.
Caffeine is less than the normal coffee.
Oh, but
The taste,
strong.
the taste is strong but less caffeine.
But normally, do you mix
bitter.
creamer here?
Yeah, normally we mix just with sugar.
With sugar?
Yeah.
Sobrang pait. Parang gusto ko na lang ng coconut.
It's very good though, but you'll be awake for like a year or so. Very matapang.
So, yung dun sa luwak na coffee, we paid for like an additional 250 pesos for 1 cup. Pero the rest nung nandito, free naman sila. So, medyo worth it naman siya. Hindi ko lang kung naririnig ako kasi medyo marami ng tao. Pero, ayan, nag-voice recording na ako para separate na yung voice ko. Ayun, overall, the experience is great. Like, it's a good 9 out of 10. Ayun. Tanungin natin yung isang kasama ko dito na...
But we have to finish this.
Okay, no. But I am talking about the experience. When you rate it...
Experience
out of 10,
where?
Here, like overall, with all the pictures.
It's definitely 15 out of 10.
Okay, narinig nyo, madlang people, yung difference sa rating namin.
Ay, bakit yan?
Pero, rest assured, parang sulit.
Lahat ba
Lahat.
sa'yo?
Sabi ko 9 lang.
Okay.
Rest assured, okay naman. Well, kasi, like, pag pumunta ka dito, ang dami pa kasing close, tapos under construction pa yung iba. Nagre-renovate sila, ganun. Pero the rest naman, thinking about it, na parang, we spent, parang tig 750 kami. Pesos. 750 pesos. No, okay na rin naman. Kasi may tasting pa ng tea, may coffee, ganun. Tapos itong, this 250 pesos cup of coffee.
And then the experience that we got to swing,
Yeah, yung bally swing
like basically
talaga.
20 times.
Yung bally
back and
swing
forth.
talaga.
Facing there, facing there. Facing there, facing there.
Facing back and
And
front.
in front. So it's definitely
Ang
sulit.
ang daming magagawa dito.
Pero yeah, siguro if hindi kasi namin nakikita na meron pang ginagawa, hindi sana kami masasayangan. Pero ang dami kasing ginagawa ngayon na sobrang ganda sanang puntahan.
Mm-mm. Tapos,
So-
to think pa na parang ang daming ganitong places dito sa area na to. Tapos dito kami pinunta nung parang nagtutour sa amin.
Which is the cheapest already. One of the
Yeah,
cheapest I
cheapest
believe.
na raw. Kasi yung, okay. To tell you straight, yung Bally Swing na pinuntahan namin ngayon, hindi siya yung original na OG na talagang Bally Swing. Kasi,
Because it's so expensive.
yeah, sabi nung guide namin, yung original daw na Bally Swing is like 600,000 rupiah na. Each person, tapos isang swing lang. Like,
Yeah, you only got to one
okay,
swish.
Yung ibig
Back.
sabihin, hindi. Yung ibig sabihin parang one swing, like yan lang. Gets? Pag nagbayad kasi tayo ng 300, lahat ng swing sasakyan natin. So, nung sinabi niya kasi na swing, hindi isang swing na gano'n.
Isang swing lang yung upuan mo.
Isang swing na yupan mo. So, for 600,000 rupiah,
That's
mahal
not-
nun. Binayad namin dito is
700.
200 kami, so 750. So, if 600, 750 times 3. Diba? So, parang 2,000 something na yun. So, hindi ko
And
alam
a
kung
tip
worth
for
it.
you guys, if you wanna come here, do it like around 9
Oo, umaga.
umaga, like 8 or 9 in the morning, so that it's not too cloudy. Definitely you have, it needs to be cloudy para maganda yung picture, of course. Pero it's
Pero
not too
dapat,
sunny.
may araw pa rin.
May
kasi,
maganda yung may araw, tsaka yung may cloud, maganda yung clouds.
kasi araw lang ang source of lighting mo dito.
But definitely, onti pa lang kasi yung pumupunta ng tao dito, kaya maganda pa siya.
True. Ayun. Again, yung kape pala na 500 grams na galing dun sa pusa.
Pusa.
Mahal.
So 2 million, that's like
2
how
million
much?
is like, wait lang. Compute na natin for So, 2 million divided
Kinakabahan ako
by
para sa tiyan ko.
280 pesos. 7K for 500 grams. I cannot. Hindi ko kaya. Sana gumanon na lang ako dun sa dinudurog. So, naginanon ko na lang, tapos tinisyo ko. Pero syempre, hindi pwede. Kailangan ano yung mga yun, declare pag sa airport.
Sa airport kasi.
Ayun. So, pasensyahan, nabalik na lang po kayo dito kasi 7,000 is too much for us.
True.
And to think, parang syempre kung bibili kami nun, kahit share pa kami, siguro per person, diba yan yung spoon? Yung kape nun parang ganto lang ganto lang konti yung matatakan per person.
And ito, if you're going here, sabi nung tour guide namin, maganda daw around November. However,
May
kaya
ulan.
kasi, no, yung crop nila, yung palayan nila,
Harvest
anihan
na.
na. Medyo pa harvest season na sila dito. So definitely, puros lupa na, girl. Hindi mo makikita yung super green. So I don't know kung kailan yung super green nila dito, yung like yung taniman nila, pero definitely not November kasi medyo harvest season na nila. Brown na yung mga palayan nila dito.
Yeah, kaya i-edit mo na lang yung picture.
But definitely, so worth it. So worth it here. For the aesthetic, for the picture. Hindi ka... At saka mabait ng tao. Mabait nila.
May asukal na tamis.
At ata yung sukal eh. Brown sugar.
Ano yung sasabihin ko? Yung mga nagsiswing sa amin kanina, nagtatagalog pa si kuya. May usog ka. Usog ako. Sabi niya,
Yung paa, yung paa.
yung paa, sabi niya. Tapos sabi niya pa isara, sabi niya. Kasi close ko yung legs ko daw. Sabi ko, okay. Tapos yung mag-move back, usog, mga ganon. As in, nagtatagalog si kuya. Sabi ko,
Gano'n empty daw.
Pilipino ka ba? Tinignan ko,
We
pero
look
parang
alike,
hindi naman.
magkakamukha
Yeah,
tayo
kaya-
dito.
Ang sarap talaga ng avocado coffee. This one is the best for me.
I like the Rosella. The mangosteen, the lemongrass.
Sarap yun rin yung spice tea.
Not so much again. Yung spice tea, very good also. And the ginger, oh my god. Top tier na natikman ko na turmeric-ish. The Rosella is good. I think I'm gonna buy this for my mother.
Parang yung avocado bibilin ko. Sarap. Ang sarap talaga.
Oh my gosh. Like, hindi naman kasi siya lasang tae.
Hindi talaga. Kasi kape pa rin naman
grabe,
siya.
like, imagine yung Americano, ha? Na medyo times 5 yung yung pait. Yung ganun.
True.
At ang nakakaloka dito, very open ang Yossi. Kahit saan, girl. Like dito sa tourist spot na to, sa harapan namin ngayon, may nag-Yossi. Ganun sila ka-open. And alam niyo yung stick, yung parang, anong tatawag?
Vape.
Yung vape na stick. Girl, meron sa convenience store.
Ganun ka.
Sila ka-open sa Yossi. So, for Gyros, for Giselle, for Noelina, all my friends who do Yossi, for Masin. Magugustuhan nyo dito sa Bali. Kasi pwede kayo naglalakad kayo sa kung saan nag-Yossi kayo. So, yeah. I'm gonna give this a 15 out of 10 kasi it definitely exceeded my expectation and definitely worth it. Kasi watch out for our pictures. Kahit same kami ng location, same kami ng angle.
True.
Please appreciate. Medyo mahal din yung binayad namin. Hindi lang super mahal.
Mahal.
Girl, considering kasi na yung ibang location sa Philippines and then you can only do so little.
Well, yeah.
Definitely worth it.
So, ito yung dun sa civet cat. Legit, ang pait niya. Sobrang pait. So, yun na yung for today. I feel like super haba na nitong part na to. So, the next part would be for another video. Na lang. Okay? Ayan. So, may ginagawa pa dito. Ang dami. That's a toilet. Umapakal. Yun pala yun. This is their shop. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kasi kung voice over ba.